if I had the rod. Oh! What happened? Something like that. I think it would be sweet.
Holding you still. We are the gallows up on the hill. Answer the question. Is God on your side?
Alright, welcome back. So today actually didn't go as planned. This morning we went out with the plan of doing like a full day kayak mission. Setting out poles there because it was the only day that was flat surf, no wind. We set out 4:15 this morning. We were on the kayak by 5, which is when sunrise was. And it only just occurred to us that it's the summer solstice. Within the first 10 minutes on that kayak mission, we'd found a group of feeding birds and bass jumping out of the water, and we hooked into about 5 of them, and one of them was like a 51 centimeter bass, which I will show you a photo of now. Sadly, we lost the GoPro. Well, I lost the GoPro when trying to eat a boiled egg.
Didn't even eat the egg either.
I didn't even eat the egg, I launched the egg because out of my rage. On the bright side of things now, I've cleared my tears. We're now foraging and we want to get a lobster. And later we're going to go spearing. So now it's turned into a full day of fishing, foraging and spearing. And the goal is, can we get a fish or a lobster on all 3? We're 1 for 1 at the minute. Now we're on to number 2.
Make it 2 for 2.
Let's make it 2 for 2.
Let's go.
I'm messing about.
Let's do it.
Man.
Go.
Me up for?
Hurry up. Go.
Leave me alone.
You. So clear.
We're at the first hole. Let's get in there, nice and gentle. I've not got much expectations for this one because the hole's so deep, but it's always nice to check. It sets the tone for the rest of them.
Yay. Fingers crossed.
But I'm feeling lucky. There's nothing in there.
Okay, nice hole. Lobby number 1.
That count as the mission?
Yeah.
Got a female, so that's 2 for 2. Obviously it's not a keeper. Look at that.
Lovely colours on it.
Lobster.
Nice.
Female, sorry.
How can you tell?
It's a little female. These are soft. The very front are soft for a female, and then on the male, they're hard. But also you can tell by their tail. Looks more like a dress, I always think.
Okay.
But here she is. She's well feisty. So, like we did in the last video, from the back of the eye to the start of the carab, or to the end of the carapace, 82 mil. So she's way out, but it's cool. It's cool to see the first one anyway. Let's pop her back into her little home.
Don't know if you can see that. It looks like an avatar tree.
Go on. I think it's borderline, but it's going to be close. Oh, he's in. He's in. Yeah, weighing. 95. 94.
Nice.
Nice.
Good
He's
job.
in. Keep him.
Good cast.
What do you mean?
I've caught babies all day. I'll make it look bigger.
Get the angle on it, Finn.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Look at that. Right, cheers, dude.
Trying to figure out how to touch this thing. Nah.
There you go.
I did it before.
How's the quick snap swivel going on?
The slow snap. Oh, yeah!
Yeah, buddy.
Got a rattle.
Oh. Oh. Oh, Jesus, dude. Right.
But yeah, this is the one.
Cool. Lovely. Yeah, bro. Trigger special. Right, quick plan. I think. But that's 2 out of 2 for the day.
Yeah.
For the day, which is good. And then we'll probably head back. And I don't know how to do the spearing because I can't prove it.
No.
So I don't have a GoPro.
Oh well. Well, just gotta trust us.
You got to believe.
Yeah.
Rest in peace, Patrick. Right, well, I'm heading in, and obviously I've got no GoPro because I lost it. But Finn's going to do a little bit of drone footage, so you get to at least see that I did do it. And we'll see if I get anything. And you will see when I get back. So yeah. Peace out.
Drone footage. Oh.
Where the rebel tide, we are the monster. There's no place to hide. We're under your bed. We hide in the dark. We are the monster, an army of one. We are the monster, a hole in the sun. You